Welcome to my channel. Need a 2015 BMW 328i engine replacement? Check this out. 1. Confirm the damage first. Before you start shopping, make sure you actually need a replacement. These N20 engines are picky. Sometimes it is just a timing chain issue or a bad turbo seal. Get a full diagnostic before you spend thousands. 2. Decide, used, rebuilt, or reman. You have options. A used engine is cheaper but may come with miles. Rebuilt means old parts fixed up. Remanufactured, fully refreshed and pricey. Pick based on budget and how long you plan to keep the car. 3. Match engine codes. The 2015 BMW 328i uses an N20B20 engine. Match the exact engine code on your VIN or your car's build sheet. BMWs are picky about compatibility, so do not guess. 4. Look at mileage, not just price. A super cheap used engine with 120k miles is a gamble. Sometimes paying a bit more for 60 to 70k miles saves you from doing this again. 5. Get the history. Ask where the engine came from. Wrecked car? Salvage yard? Certified supplier? A trusted source means fewer surprises. 6. Factor in labor costs. Swapping a BMW engine is not a simple afternoon job. Shops charge a premium for imports. Get a quote before buying so you know the full cost. 7. Replace wear parts now. If you are swapping engines, change the water pump, gaskets, and belts while it is out. Cheaper now than tearing it apart later. 8. Check warranty options. Some sellers offer 6 to 12 months warranty on used engines. Grab it if you can. BMW repairs are expensive without coverage. 9. Inspect the turbo. The N20 is a turbocharged engine. If your old turbo was bad, do not bolt it onto the new engine. Fix or replace it now. 10. Choose a trusted supplier. Look for a seller with clear return policies, test reports, and reviews. A good vendor makes this whole process less stressful. Thanks for watching.